Sadly, my trip down memory lane was interrupted by the producers, who said we must go to a petrol station where they would test our car's waterproofness.
Shakespeare country, this.
I know, I noticed Shakespeare's estate agents,
Yeah,
actually.
very much.
I presume we're having to do the test of the waterproofing of the cars in a car wash because it so rarely rains in Britain.
No, when would it happen? So we need to do that, yeah. OK.
What is that?
Nothing. Nothing. It's, I've parked over an oil spill.
Can I just check that?
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you've parked over a bit of hanging off bodywork as well.
To try and stop the producers endlessly filming the boring oil spill, James started the test.
Do your worst.
No, a lot of people do like to turn up and watch cars being washed around Solihull and Shirley.
Edit that out.
The TVR passed with flying colours.
Death Valley.
And so did the Jensen.
Nuclear submarines have more leaks than this does.
So then I lined up the Lotus.
There is a bit coming in, I'll be honest. Yeah, some.
Let's have a look.
I'll be staggered if he's dry.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
I spilt my drink.
Oh,
Just as it
not
started.
again. Was it just water?
Yeah, just water and a bit of soap.
To then prove, again, to the producers why hot hatchbacks were so poor, we asked the Stig to take a Ford Escort XR3i through the same car wash.
Stig ever been to a car wash before?
No, it'll be a whole new experience for him. So what do you think?
Well, it's got a solid roof.